Hey guys, and welcome to Alexandra Valley here, the wine country. Also the Geyserville, you can see on the fence. And there's a little sculpture garden here. And I was driving by and I just thought, hey, this looks pretty cool. So let's go check out this sculpture garden along Highway 101 here in Geyserville. So this is right along the freeway here. And they have people coming out and putting some water down for it, giving it some love. Look at this feature here. It's a giant frame. So if you get close enough, right about here, it's a postcard of Alexandra Valley here in Geyserville. And I guess that's a moon, I'm not sure. This guy on initial look reminds me of the Michelin Man or the Bibendum Man, which is got a long history of the tire company. There's actually a book out all about the Michelin Man, but this, in this case, is the Wine Man. It's got a wine bottle and a wine barrel. I like him, he's pretty cool. Over here you got a woman's torso. Very interesting. And the egg is quite odd. I noticed they have a lot of lights. I bet at night everything is lit up. But check out this egg. You got a man and a woman holding arms in there. It looks like the moon. Pretty wild. Can you imagine how hot it is in Knoxville? Especially today, because it's 100 degrees right now. And this is the grandest one here. This amazing horse. It's even got the muscles and everything and veins, and it's all made out of old metal, recycled parts, looks like. The tail and the mane looks like cables. That's pretty wild. There's a sign over there talking about it, so I'll go check that out. Even some old wood in there underneath, tucked up. Oh, the wood is part of the design. Wow. This horse sculpture is called Victory by Bryan Tedrick. 2018, so it's been here a while. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. I like the use of the cable. All these butterflies are made by railroad ties, railroad spikes I should say, and metal glued together. And they're all hand painted. That one has a happy face. And this heart made out of chains. called a pie heart. That was pretty cool too. This one is entitled Be Here. And this tank swings. Ooh. And it's a bell. This one's super cool. I guess it's a dog. It says Crompton's Dragon. So it's a dragon. I like the handlebars for ears and the bicycle light bulbs for eyes. Quite creative. And forks for teeth. This one is entitled Resurrection. Pretty wild. This one's called Swimmer, just Swimmer. Kind of looks like a swimmer, I guess. Yeah, from the right angle. And what's this one? Windows. This is Explosive Heart. Chief Steel Feather. He might be my favorite. Chief Steel Feather. He's pretty cool. This one is titled Are You Fiction? Are you fiction? This horse is awful beautiful. The chains and the parts all welded together. There's a postcard for you. This must be some kind of Olympic torch or bird's nest. The sign is gone. Doesn't tell me what it is. And you can't forget the fish. This is just called Geyserville Rebirth. And this one here doesn't have a title either. It's fell down. But it's a cool use of some plastic bowls. Thanks for coming along on this short little tour of the sculptures here at Geyserville on the freeway. And I'll see you on my next video. All right.